Right, let me go with the problem number 4. Right, the question is simplify and choose the correct option for 169 by 225 to the power of 1 by 2, 120 into 125 by 27 to the power of 2 by 3 into 81 by 4 to the power of 1 by 2. See the square root, so we can represent square root of x, we can represent as x to the power of 1 by 2, right? Cube root of x, we can represent x to the power of 1 by 3. I'll use this. Now 169 I can rewrite, right, as square root of 169, that is going to be divided by square root of 225. That into, now, so 2 by 3 is there. What I'll do, I'll go with this cube root of 125 and so cube root of 27 to the power of, right, 2, that into 81, so square root of 81, that divided by square root of 4. Right, now simplify it. Here square root of 4 is nothing but 2, right? So I'll go with this. Now 169, which is going to be 13, the square root of 169 is 13, that is 13 into 13 is 169, and 225 is going to be 15 into cube root. Cube means what? Multiplying a number 3 times, right? Here, so the reverse of that is going to be called as cube root. Here 125, which is nothing but when you multiply 5 into 3 times, that is 5 into 5 into 5, you are going to get 125, right? So now you can write directly 5 square, that divided by, right, here 27 is there, that is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, that is going to be 3 square. That into 81 I can write as 9 into 9 is 81, and this I can write 2. Now it is the final step to simplify. 13 by 15, that is 5 square. 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5 by 3 into 3, that into 9 by 2. Now start working on it. Right, 5 1s are, right, 5 3s are, right, 3 3s are 9, right, 9 I cancel. Now 13 5s are 65, right, 3 2s are 6. Right, answer is 65 by 6. Option C is the right one.